Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So today's video is I'm going to share what all I have purchased from Amazon to create like a own salon spa experience at home. So with the coronavirus and the quarantine period that is going on and everything that is restricted and limited to the confinement of your own home, you have to manage somehow. And if you want to maintain the distance and contactless lifestyle, I think this is the video for you. And it's good to have certain things in the comfort of your own home, and all that I have purchased from Amazon, and they are in an affordable price range. I wouldn't say they are extremely pricey, right about from 300, 500 to 1200. That's what the price range of the products that I'm going to share with you in this video. So without any further ado, let's get into what all I have. That I have created my at-home spa, salon spa for treating and pampering myself in the confinement in the four walls of my home. First up, we have this wax heater. You can get this wax heater off of Amazon. This wax heater ranges, any wax heater for that matter, ranges around 300 to 500, 600 ish. You can get this. You power plug the device and you can control the temperature from medium to high, low, medium to high, and you get like a container. This container particularly is used, I think, for bean wax, the hard wax. You put the beans in here and then you place it in and your wax will melt inside this. I think many YouTubers have done their waxing routine by using wax heaters like these, but I personally don't use bean wax because cleaning the container will be a hassle. I buy these wax. This is Brazilian avocado wax, Brazilian wax. The brand is Waxxo. You can get even Rica wax. Both, the price point of both is around 700, 800, 850, I think. This is easy. I place the tin directly on the stove, heat it, melt the wax completely, and to manage the whole melt point of the wax, I place this in the wax heater like this, and it helps to maintain that consistency of wax throughout the whole waxing routine. Next up, we have this face vaporizer, face mist, what would we call it? Face steamer. That's what this is. So this is what it looks like. This is the cable cord. You have to power plug this, and it has a compartment over here. This is the power switch. This turns green when it's on and when it's off. So you pull this compartment out. You open the nozzle, fill the water with distilled water. Distilled water alone. You cannot place any kind of tap water or undistilled water, which can cause clogging of the machine, and your machine might most likely burst if there is some form of clogging, because the steam won't come out easily. There'll be some blockage. So that is that. When I steam, I have started this routine now where I vacuum suction my face. What is vacuum suctioning the face? It is this device I purchased recently. This is called Derma Suction, and their logo says here, sucks the yuck out of your pores. And when I first used this device, I actually bruised my skin, because you're not supposed to keep the vacuum suction too long on a particular area. Okay, this is the actual device, and there are 3 attachment here. right over here they're falling off. 3 attachment heads along with this total 4 attachment heads. I personally like the small one because I have white heads and it helps to sub the white heads. First time I used it I was shocked. All residue, yellowy whitish residue. I think it's the pus out of my pimples that came out, and this is the sound it makes. For this, it's not a chargeable device or it is not a corded device. You need 2 batteries to be put in here, 2 AA batteries, and you can use this. You can't use this alone. You have to steam your face so that your pores are all open and the suction is ready to go. The next device we have got is this foldable tub. This is used for manicure and pedicure. I'll show you how you open this. It is very convenient. It just cost me around 1,000 bucks, 999. That's what the price was, rupees 999, and you can, fold it. It's a collapsible tub. So what I do is I place hot water in the tub and I use Epsom Salt. This is easily available on Amazon and I purchased this for 300 rupees. It's a huge this. I do my foot soaks once a week, every Saturdays. So 2 tablespoons of this in hot water and you soak your feet. Your feet are going to feel amazing. You will feel relaxed. This is supposed to relax your muscle. It's a foot soak, bath, spa, anything you want. That's what this Epsom Salt has actually written on it. So you can purchase this off of Amazon if you want, or you can even get it at your drugstore or your local pharmacy. They also have small sachets available. The next thing I have is at home hair color. This is Revlon's No Ammoniac Color Silk Hair Color, which I do at home. You can use this or you can use the professional hair color like Majorelle or L'Oreal's Innova, whatever you like. I have been using this and I'm planning to switch to a professional color because I do have slight grays coming out of my head. Next thing, I purchased this for 500 to 600 bucks, I think. This is a full manicure set. You have your nail cutters, 2 nail cutter, hand nail cutter, and you have your cuticle cutter, some scissors, tweezers, and you have this particular tool you can see right over here. It looks like one of those honey scoops, but this is to actually clear your earwax, and I didn't know about it. A lot of tools in here, and it had actually come with an instructions manual. I think I threw the instructions manual out. What each tool can do is all written in that instructions manual. This is a very convenient kit because everything is held so organized. It's so organized in here, so anything you want you can just open this and use. I use this. I cut my nails, then I do my foot soak. Even my hand I can soak in that tub. So that's what I do with all that I have at home. So I don't know how you people do it, or you still go to the salon or what. I don't really trust anyone with my hair and skin. I even cut my own hair. I layer my hair actually and I cut it. So everything in the confinement of my own home, and I trust myself than any other person. So that's that. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have anything to suggest, any other gadget that I could use at home, could add up to my spa, comment in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until then, bye.